What's going on, YouTube? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. Well, I always say when I haven't shot a video, it's been a while. So it has been a bit, and I am starting to get people calling me out like, "Hey, where's your videos?" So I have some stash ads. I have a special thank you, and I have a update on the 55 Ford truck, and it is coming along quite nicely. I'm hoping to have this thing wrapped up by the weekend before, I'm hoping before our Model Car Mafia club meeting, and then I can put it on the table and be like, whoa, have an aura around it, you know? No. But I'm still printing things for my 49 Merc build without a chop. It doesn't have a chop on there. So I am printing engine parts for that and seeing what I like to do and all this and what route I'm gonna go, and I'm contemplating what I'm gonna do with the GTO because that's sitting next to me also. So I've got some stuff in the burner, and I am making progress on the 55, but it's took me a while to get back on my feet after all the stuff that's happened so far. So, but we are moving along, and I'm enjoying the hobby again. And man, that dog, I'm telling you, he's learning now, but he was a terror for a while. So the wife even has some new stash ads. I'm going to try some new paints also. So let's go ahead and turn this camera around. I'm going to start with the stash ads. Let's start with the stash ads. All right, guys, come on, guys, let's go. All right, guys. Well, let's start with the stash ads. Like I said, here's some model car parts I'm doing here. First of all, if I can get it over here, we had bought a couple of the new 1992 Chevy Silverado 1500s. So I bought one, and I bought another. And the reason why I bought two, sorry guys, reason why I bought two is because Chris Bell over there at Speed Scale Garage has a lot of files for that kit, and I really want to mess with some of his files and maybe make a truck that I would like out of that. So the wife had purchased something for her stash. She had purchased this, and I've been wanting to build this, and I have one of mine, but she wanted to build one of these Novas. I said, okay, go for it. Let's grab one. And then she went ahead and bought this. We were at Andy's, by the way. This is where we bought this at. Also, she had purchased for her stash this. She purchased a Sunbeam tire. So this is going to be a cool build. I want to see what's in it. She's going to, maybe she'll let me open it on the channel without breaking my fingers. But yeah, so she purchased this. I want to see what's in it because I kind of want to build one too. So I want to build everything though, guys. So I also purchased one of these because I've been printing some engines and stuff that for this kit that I want to build. And I've always wanted to build a Karmann Ghia, but never really had the opportunity, and here's my opportunity. So we are going to build this soon. Okay, what else do we get? We had purchased, bear with me guys, because I have a real one, I want to build a 65 Ranchero pickup. I have a 64, which is pretty much the same thing. A couple little minor differences, but I want to build one of these customized, and then I'm going to build one again like my real car because I've already built one. But I need to find another one, so I'm going to go ahead and try to find another one at a reasonable price, and we'll go from there. So I want to build one of these this year too, so along with my real car. So sorry guys. Another thing I purchased, because I have a YouTube channel that you build anything you want and post it, and I seen this and I was like, man, I want to build that. So it is a Bandai kit. Let's see if I can get it in here. There you go. So this is going to be a pretty cool kit to build. I'm using a new tripod right now, so I'm trying not to destroy everything here. I like building these kits. This isn't a Bandai, huh? No, this is a different, this is Suyata or something. I've never built one of these kits, but it looks pretty fun. So also when I was at Andy's, Andy has a whole new line of paints over there by Ammo. And I thought, you know what, I'll try some of these. So here's some, I think this is clear for like bezels and stuff. Some interior paints, I wanted to try those, beige leather. Some orange transparent. These are all acrylics, by the way. Some red transparent. Some more interior paints, because you can never have enough interior paints. That seems like that's always changing. Okay, some matte black. You can always use matte black. Yellow transparent. Some more. Oh, this is a regular color here. Tire color, yes, rubber. Because I do a lot of that now that I 3D print. And satin black, some interior satin black. Okay, some smoke transparent, because I wanted to try some windshields, and I've got a couple things in mind. What else do we got here? Wood for wood grain. And some more interior color. So I'm gonna try that. The wife bought this. This is, man, she actually did some wood grain that I was pretty impressed with. So that's pretty much what I bought at Andy's. I probably bought a handful of other stuff, but who knows? I don't keep track anymore. And the grandson had me printing some stuff. Some stuff that he watches this thing on YouTube. So anyway, so let's oh yes, special thanks, guys. Our friend Tony sent this. So we're going to be building 2 Mercs on this channel, and it's a nice piece, man. So I'm going to go ahead and build this one on the channel too. Something different. Something the same but different. Yeah, he got a hold of Jason and asked Jason if he can get my address, and I was like, yeah, sure. And he sent me this, and I was like, wow, dude, that's generous, man. He's a watcher of our YouTube channel. He is actually on our Chuck's Hobby Spot. So, but man, thanks a lot, buddy. I so appreciate this, and it will get built. And he did write us a nice note, and really nice note. And I so appreciate it, man. I was like blown away when he sent that. I was stoked all week. So we are gonna build this, and it's gonna sit right over here till we start sanding on it, because I don't want to forget about that. There's a few things that I really want to get to building this year, and I want to start building real strong. So here is the truck that we've been working on. So let me see if I can get some close-ups of this engine. Still needs a little bit of touch-up stuff. And when you blow something like this up on, you know, just it doesn't really give it the effect, but it is what it is, you know. It's a nice build. I'm pretty stoked about this one. You can see all the linkage I built with all the bolts and nuts and everything on there. But let's see, can you see the interior? I printed the whole interior. Shoulder belts, shifter. Now this was a Hobbyworks frame that I grafted onto the original one, and I did a lot of scratch building on the bottom side, so I grafted it onto here. That light's flashing for some reason, I don't know why. Needs a little bit more polishing, but yeah, it's gonna come out nice. So here's the wheels I'm going with on here, and the rear end. So it's gonna sit something like that. Anyway, so I've got a ways to go on there. This is going to be kind of it's more of a test video with this tripod to get the right setup on the tripod, and it's kind of it's a bit to get used to because it's on the ground rather than on a shelf that I used to have on my old bench. So I'm hoping we do a final on this pretty soon. So anyway, so I don't know if all you guys know, I started a Facebook group. It's called Chuck's Hobby Spot, just like the YouTube channel, so there's no mistake that they're linked together. So if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, my Facebook site, go ahead and subscribe. That'd be awesome. You can put anything on there, whether it be figures, whether it be 3D printing, whether it be model cars, model planes, tanks. I don't care if it's model related, put it on there. I'm big into all kinds of model stuff, so if it's model related, put it up there. Chuck's Hobby Spot on Facebook. So other than that, why do you watch this crap? I don't know, but you do, and I thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for further notifications, comment. Join the Facebook group. I'm on Instagram. I think that might be under Chucky Monster 1000. And again, Tony, thank you very much, man. That Merc was awesome, and I'm gonna hopefully do it justice for you. So you guys, I'm gonna tune out right now. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get some suspension work done on this so my channel's not so boring, guys. All right, guys. You guys take care. Have a good one. Talk to you later.